two blocks A and B of masses 3m and 4m respectively are connected by a massless and inextensible string. The whole system is suspended by a massless spring as shown in the figure. The magnitude of acceleration of A and B immediately after string is cut are respectively. B का वेट इस कंडीशन में mg is downward. Suppose string में टेंशन is T1 and this is T2 और इसका वेट 3 mg. स्प्रिंग में जो टेंशन है दैट इज दिस इज स्प्रिंग में टेंशन इज T2. तो T1 will be equal to mg and T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 mg और T2 is equal to 3 mg plus T1 और 3 mg plus mg is equal to 4 mg. Now this rope, this string is cut. जब string कट जाएगी तो B will fall, जो fall होगा that will be free fall. तो B acceleration of B will be equal to g. जब यहाँ से कट हो जाएगी तो A पर जो स्प्रिंग का जो A पर फोर्सेस एक्ट करेंगे immediately after cutting of the string T2 and 3 mg. तो T1 will vanish. तो A पर जो फोर्सेस एक्ट कर रही हैं दैट इज T2 and 3 mg डाउनवर्ड. तो नेट फोर्स दिस इज A, नेट फोर्स ऑन A is T2 minus 3 mg, 4 mg minus 3 mg is equal to mg. This is F and F will be equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 3m into acceleration is equal to mg. So acceleration is equal to mg by 3m g by 3. So g by 3 and g, this B is correct option. Next, one end of the string of length L is connected to the particle M and other end is connected to a small peg on a smooth horizontal table. If the particle moves in circle with the speed v, the net force on the particle directed towards the center will be T is tension. T represents the tension in the string. Table इस पर एक particle of mass is rotating in horizontal direction. Yes, this is connected to a L length of string. तो इस पर जो इनवर्ड एक्ट करेगा, जो बॉडी ये पार्टिकल है that is tension T and outward एक्ट करेगा mv square r. तो टेंशन जो डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर will be a force T. A is correct option. Next, a spring of force constant K is cut into lengths of ratio 1 to 3. They are connected in series and new force constant is K dash. If they are connected in parallel and force constant is K dash, then K dash और K डबल डैश की रेशो विल बी, सपोज एक स्प्रिंग है, इसकी लेंथ इज L, इसको कट किया 1 to 3, तो फर्स्ट लेंथ हो जाएगी L/6, सेकेंड होगी 2L/6 एंड थर्ड इज 3L/6. The spring constant is inversely proportional to L और K को हम लिख सकते हैं a constant C/L and C is equal to KL. तो K1 इसकी जो K1 होगा, K1 will be C/L/6 और 6 into C/L and C/L is equal to K, 6K. Similarly, K2 will be 6/2K or 3K and K3 will be 6/3K 2K. जब सीरीज में इन सीरीज 1/K dash will be 1/K1 plus 1/K2 plus 1/K3, 1/6K plus 1/3K plus 1/2K, 6K 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6/6K. K dash will be K equal to K. In parallel, K double dash will be K1 plus K2 plus K3, 6K plus 3K plus 2K is equal to 11K. K dash ratio K double dash will be K ratio 11K or 1 ratio 11. C is correct option.